Doing a quick maintenance here. Trying out this little Viper foam spray gun. Yeah, man, it's working out pretty good. The inside of this. Already did the inside. A little foam right here. A couple little pumps. I think I need to change the tip on it though. For smaller stuff, it works. It's running a little low. Yeah, I need to fill it up. It's too low right now. Every little last drop. See, there you go. A little better. Yeah, I just want to show this real quick. I'll show a little bit more maintenance stuff on this. Just what I do for residential stuff. But, yep. Let's tighten these guys up. Check the capacitor. Gauge is hooked up. Temperature equals. With the Lineset last year. Take the horsepower's off. Capacitor here. Calming the fan. 10. Calming the air. 80.8. Capacitor's good. Electrical's good. Actually changed last year contactor already in the capacitor, but just checking it again. Now I'm going to check charge. I believe it's fixed orifice inside my TXV. So check superheat. So let's get that out of the way. Wrapped up. Always make sure you're checking your line temp. Use sand cloth. Get a better temperature reading. I already did the suction, can't see it. And then throw your clamps on there. So yeah, let's check that. So dialing in the charge. Unit's fixed orifice.